Step into a city flat with the warmth of a country home. Rich colors, layered textures, and antiques create timeless elegance, while flexible layouts make the space feel both inviting and effortlessly livable. Sybil Colfax and John Fowler, a renowned interior design firm, brings a distinctive approach to home decor and design, even when applied to a Wimbledon flat. Their signature style often features a timeless and layered aesthetic, moving away from stark modernity in favor of warmth and comfort. For a Wimbledon flat, this translates into an interior where color plays a significant role, often with rich, warm hues that bring a space to life. You might find bold backdrops of colors like tang yellow, creating a vibrant setting for artwork and decorative objects. The firm also excels at incorporating textiles, such as a bespoke sofa upholstered in a luxurious fabric like Craft in Curcuma by Pierre Fry, which perfectly matches the room's tones. The design emphasizes the creation of inviting and versatile spaces. For instance, a flat might feature a reconfigured layout to include a kitchen-cum-dining room adjacent to the drawing room, with substantial dividing walls and folding doors that allow for either an open-plan feel or the ability to create more intimate, separate areas. This functionality allows spaces to be cozy when desired, even offering the option to conceal the kitchen if needed. comfort and lived-in luxury are paramount, achieved through a careful selection of furniture and decorative pieces. Antiques are often integrated, lending a sense of history and character. For example, bookcases might be sourced from their own antiques department, and unique items like a Moroccan table could find a place in a snug. The arrangement of furniture is considered to promote a sense of graciousness and ease, ensuring the room flows well and is comfortable to live in.